How to hide likes on Twitter. It's essential to note that X doesn't offer a direct option to completely hide your likes from everyone. However, there are a couple of workarounds that can provide a similar level of privacy. One way to hide your likes is to make your entire X account private. This means that only your approved followers will be able to see your tweets, likes, and other activity. To do this, make sure your X app is updated. Just head to your App Store, Play Store for Android, App Store for iPhone, search for X, formerly known as Twitter, and hit that update button if it's available. Open up the X app on your phone. The X icon. Log into your X account. Type in your username and password if you're not already signed in. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Now, a menu will pop up. Scroll down until you find Settings and Support and tap on it. In the settings, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Give that a tap. Next, choose Privacy and Safety from the options. It's where you control who sees what. Under your X activity, find Audience and Tagging. There's a switch next to Protect Your Posts. Flip that on. This makes your account private, so only your approved followers can see your likes and other stuff. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this one. Don't forget to click on that notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the next video.